Alright, to get started with Blender, you can get Blender at blender.org. It's free. So blender.org, you go to the download section and you go to this little link right here and you can choose which OS that you have. If you have Windows, this one, and if you have Mac, this one or this one, depending on how old the Mac is. In most cases, you're probably going to have this one for Mac. The Apple Silicon is quite old, but that's okay. So that's how you get it. You just click on it, download it, and then hit next, yes, and OK to everything as you install it onto your system. It's an absolute free program. I still use it today. I use it over Maya. I use it over 3D Studio Max. My workflow is usually Blender, ZBrush, and if I'm using like graphic applications, I'm using anything from like Adobe Photoshop to GIMP to Inkscape to Illustrator, depending on who I'm teaching at the time and how much money they have. So, alright, there it is. Blender.org for Blender. Download that and then get started with the 0100 video in the series and the playlist, and it gets you started right away.